In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Aliexpress in 2025. This process will take you only about 5 minutes to complete. So let's get started and set you up for seamless dropshipping success. Begin by heading over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the My Store homepage. This is where you have the opportunity to manage all operations related to your online store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable navigating the platform. Next, you'll want to locate the settings option. You'll find this in the bottom left corner of the Shopify admin toolbar. Clicking on it will take you to the general area where you can configure different aspects of your store. When you land in settings, you'll see a menu that includes various options. What you're going to look for is the apps and sales channels option. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage all applications that interact with your store. Go ahead and click on Apps and Sales Channels to open up a new page. Once you're in this new section, direct your attention to the Shopify App Store button. Clicking this will take you to a broad library full of apps that integrate with Shopify, which is pretty exciting because it allows you to tailor your store exactly to your needs. With the App Store open, move to the search bar at the top. Here, type Aliexpress. You might notice variations such as Aliexpress dropshipping, which are specifically tailored for tasks like yours. But in this case, typing Aliexpress will do just fine. Hit enter and soon you'll see a list of potential integrations. Scroll through the list with care to locate the app named Aliexpress, Alibaba, Temu Oberlo. This particular combination is highly effective for managing imports from Aliexpress to your Shopify store, making the dropshipping process seamless. Select this option to proceed. Now that you have selected the right app, you'll see an install button prominently displayed. Click on it and follow any prompts provided by the app to initiate the installation process. Upon completing these steps, there will be another install button that appears. This step is essential to fully integrate the app with your Shopify store. Again, click on it and patiently follow any additional instructions. Once this is completed, the Aliexpress app will now be part of your Shopify apps. You'll be poised to start importing products and monitoring sales with incredible ease. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully connected Shopify with Aliexpress. This integration will help you efficiently manage your products, save time, and focus on growing your business. Thanks for following along, and make sure to check out more of our tutorials to further elevate your e-commerce game.